Welcome back to my channel. So real quick, today I will be showing you guys how I remove my passion twists. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've had them in for a little over 2 weeks, so I have the accessories here. I'm just gonna pull them off. And my hair is on the dry side, so I have my spray bottle with water and moisturizer. I'm just gonna spray the roots of my hair and cover my hair with it, so when the passion twist is coming through it, it won't snag or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and loose the twist out. Of course, you can always cut the twists if you want. So I'm gonna loose the twist out. And if you remember, my braids were way longer, but the same day I did them, I decided to cut them because summer is too hot for long hair. I just couldn't deal with it, so I cut it. And I preferred it that way, honestly. For some reason, I prefer blunt cuts, so that's what I did. Alright, so I have unraveled the twist, and here is my hair. So I'm gonna look in my mirror and locate the knot. So here is the knot. So what you want to do is just to pull the knot up, put everything through, and voila! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And my hair is still intact. There was no breakage or anything. I didn't hear my hair pop, so we're off to a good start. Let me do another one. So you can always cut the braid in here wherever your hair stops, like a little bit under where your hair stops. Unravel the twist. So if you want to see how I actually did these twists, you can go watch my video. I will leave a link up in the cards, and I will also leave the link in the description, so you can go check that video out. So here's my hair. You locate the knot, which is here. You pull on the knot. You pull everything through the knot, and voila! Easy as that. So someone wanted to know how I maintain the hair. So every other day I would spritz the hair with water and moisturizer. That's all I did to maintain the hair. And for my hair, I would spray my hair with water and conditioner also, and then I would oil my scalp and massage it in with my fingers. And if you are interested in seeing some other crochet hairstyles or some natural hair videos, you can sorry about that, guys. So if you are interested in seeing some more natural hair videos, then you can subscribe to my channel. Then you can subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you can know when I post. I'm not even sure what's going on outside, so I'm gonna go take a look so nothing else disturbs me. I think there's a truck outside, so I'm gonna go look, be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry about the disturbance. So you know what? I'm gonna turn this video into the easiest ways of removing your passion twists. So remember, I showed you the first method just now. So I'm gonna show you another method. Just gonna ensure that my scalp is moisturized, so it will be easy for the braids to come through. So as we're unraveling the twists, I'm gonna locate my hair. Then I'm gonna cut the hair, the braid in hair. Then I'm gonna locate the knot Then I'm just gonna pull it through. Easy! So, this video, easiest ways to remove passion twists. My takedown game just got 10 times easier. Honestly. Alright, so this is it. The easiest way to take these braids down. And as I mentioned before, you can cut the hair so it's easier to unravel the twists. You locate your hair, put it aside, and then you cut the braid in here, locate the knot, and you pull it through. Alright, so I've taken out all my passion twists. I started recording this video at 3:07 and now it's 4:16, so it took me an hour to take these out. And I'm recording a video, so a lot of time was used up doing that also. So literally it can take you less than an hour to remove your passion twists. This is a quick, easy style to take down, plus it's pretty. So yeah, go for it. And I have these twists taped down, but I'm not gonna take them down just yet. I'm gonna leave them in for another couple of days. So I'm gonna moisturize my hair and oil it up so it stays nice and moist. And I also did a video on how I take down my mini twists, so you can go check that video out if you are interested. I'll be using that same method. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.